let's try another one now, which has one of the little pitfalls, one of the bear traps that kids sometimes fall into. So we're going to go 5 into 529 and draw up my structure. Super neat. And now we're ready to begin. I'm going to go green and use my finder. All right, so the first one is 5 into 5. Well, you can probably guess what that's going to be, but let's go through the process anyway. So bring up my 5. Look at that, we found it right away. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So this number here, 5, is the one that I write down. So I'll write that down there. And now I'm going to look up and I find the number 1. You probably worked that out already. So 5 into 5 goes once. So let's do the subtraction now. 5 minus 5 is 0. And now I bring down the 2. And now here is the tricky part. This is what goes wrong with some kids' calculations when they get to this point. So watch very carefully. Okay, so the next bit is 5 into 2. So if I use my finder, 5 into 2, well, really can't see that at all. All right, so I can't really get down to a number low enough there. It won't go into it. 5's too big. So when it won't go, write O. It's really 0, but write O sounds better in the rhyme. 1 O. And then, because it can't go, you bring down the next number, which is a 9, to make 29. Now we can use our finder, and we're probably going to have more luck. Might need to slide the screen across a bit. So I've got my finder. I'm going to try and find 29, 25, 30. Whoop, 30 is so close. Unfortunately, it's too big. So the nearest number is 25. So that's the number I write. This number here is the one I write here, 25, and then I look up, and this number here, I go up, same as I did on the chart. And now, of course, I do a subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 take away 2 is 0. I have nothing left to take down, so I'm pretty much finished. And so this 4 I write as a remainder, and we're writing our remainder as a fraction, so it's 4 over this number here, which is 5. 4 over 5. I wonder if you can guess what is the most common mistake that kids do. You probably have already guessed it. What they do is they leave out the 0. They leave out that 0, and so they end up with 15 and 4 over 5. A very common mistake. Just remember, when it won't go, write O, and you really won't fall into that mistake at all.